In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Airtable to Google Docs seamlessly and efficiently. This process is straightforward, and by following these instructions, you'll be able to transfer your data in no time. Let's get started. First, let's begin by opening your Airtable. If you haven't already done so, log into your Airtable account and navigate to the specific table or view you want to export. It's important that you've already selected the correct table, as this is where all the data you need is stored. Take a moment to ensure you're looking at the right set of information. Once you're inside your desired Airtable view, you'll need to select the specific records or cells that you intend to export to Google Docs. Click and drag your cursor over the cells or use the keyboard to select multiple entries if needed. If you only need a particular section, Airtable allows you to be quite flexible with your selection, which is extremely handy when dealing with extensive data entries. Make sure you've highlighted exactly what you want to work with. With your desired cells highlighted, the next step is to copy this information. If you're using a Windows system, you can easily do this by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard simultaneously. This is a quick shortcut that places the selected information onto your clipboard, making it ready for pasting. If you're working on a Mac, you would use Command and C. Simply ensure that your information is copied correctly before moving on to the next step. Now let's switch over to Google Docs. If you're not already logged in, open your preferred web browser, navigate to docs.google.com, and access your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, create a new document by clicking on the blank document option. Creating a new document gives you a fresh space to work with and ensures clarity in organizing your exported data. With your new document open, it's time to paste the copied information. Click anywhere in the blank document to place your cursor. On Windows, press Ctrl and V together to paste. On a Mac, this would be Command and V. Your selected data from Airtable should now appear in your Google document, preserving the format as much as possible. This direct paste method works efficiently for most data types. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from Airtable to Google Docs. This method is not only quick and easy, but also adaptable to various data types, making it a versatile approach for managing your information across platforms. Don't forget to save your new document within Google Docs to make sure your data is stored securely. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to revisit this guide or drop your questions in the comments section below. Happy exporting, and see you next time.